Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to resize a video in CapCut PC. Let's use this video as an example. To begin, drag and drop it into the timeline. Select the clip you want to resize. Then go to the top right corner, click on Video, and then Basic. Here, you can adjust the scale to resize the video. You can also use the points in the corners of the video preview to resize it in the same way. Now, if you want to resize the video to a vertical format, perfect for platforms like TikTok, follow these steps. Navigate to the bottom of the video preview to the right and click on Ratio. Here, you can choose from different ratios. For example, I'll select 9:16. You can preview how the video will look with this ratio. Then, resize the video to fit accordingly. Adjust it as needed until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.